Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notification reminder on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's start. First, open settings on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then go to advanced settings and here you'll see notification reminder. Tap on that. Now turn it on and you'll see some options are enabled. Now to turn on vibration while sound plays, you can turn that on. You can also set up reminder intervals and also select the apps for which you want to get reminders. Here you will see messages, phone, and radio is enabled by default. And to turn off notification reminders, go back and turn it off. And that's how you can enable or disable notification reminders on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.